Hindi lang daw ang magagandang attraction sa Pilipinas ang binalikan ni Miss Universe Canada, Sierra Birchel, kundi ang Filipino hospitality na kanya raw ibinibida rin sa iba. Yan ang chika ni Lars Santiago.
Matapos ang kanyang Miss Universe bid, muling tumanggap ng mainit na pagbati si Miss Universe Canada Sierra Birchel sa pagbabalik niya sa Pilipinas.
Wherever I go, I always share my experiences about here in the Philippines. I share how amazing the Philippines is, from the people, the food, the country, the sights, everything. So I'm hoping to bring lots of Canadians back with me.
Mananatili si Sierra sa bansa hanggang sa katapusan ng buwan.
They're going to be here for until Tuesday, so we'll bring her to Cebu and Bohol.
That sounds like a good plan to me. I think that's a good idea.
Kasama ni Sierra ang kanyang ama at kapatid na lalaki. Sabi ni Secretary Teo, babalik din sa Pilipinas si reigning Miss Universe Iris Mitinar.
Miss France might come here this May because there's a musical festival, French musical festival, and we're inviting her.
Kamakailan ay nagbalik Pilipinas din si Miss Universe Thailand Chalita Swansane bilang bahagi ng promotions effort ng Thailand Tourism Board. Lars Santiago, updated sa Showbiz Happenings.